Miss Leslie Clark will be your host.
With me, Scared Big Mars. And Rusty Pink.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages.
The boys are rock.
Hey, this is a pretty big turnout.
Even after all of these years,
Our heroes.
Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Bell with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer hungry for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective robot, and the rest is intergalactic history. And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the Clark invasion of Kerwar? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some